So first of all, like, this is the first group call. The program has been online for only 1 week. So I'm still feeling out myself how this is going to work. If you guys like this style, what you guys want to see. So number one is like growing the community and then creating more and better courses to guide you better. And also seeing how many group calls a week is like beneficial for you guys, and what is the sweet spot for amount of calls where also a lot of people can show up, right? So on the plan is now growing the group, making it more valuable for you and providing enough group calls. And then once it grows, I can start getting other coaches to provide even more calls too. And like I said here, like, oh my God, like I want to get like special live calls about niche research, and then one about SEO, and one about titles, and one about thumbnails. So maybe like next week, instead of doing this like introduction, I can maybe make a little presentation on a highly requested topic from you guys, for example, niche research. And then we can go over that for 20 or 30 minutes. And then after that, you guys can like do a Q&A again with it, right? Okay, and now we